Halo Ibu Afif.
Hi everybody, are we ready to
Hello.
start? Okay, so I think we're ready to start, Dini?
Iya Bu.
Yeah, okay. So hi everyone. Very good morning to all of you. Okay?
Morning.
Yeah, okay. So everybody is ready, right? Okay. So, and thank you, Sefi. Sefi said, I am so excited right now. Yay, good. Okay. All right. So, welcome, yeah, to our session. This is the 7th session. Okay. Can host? Can I have the sharing, please? Thank you. Right. Thank you, host. All right. So I'm just going to welcome all of you again. Okay. I hope you can see my screen now. Ini
Bisa Bu. Can.
Bisa.
everybody bisa ya?
Ya.
Okay, so welcome back to our sesi pembelajaran or our learning session, the 7th session. As usual, I'm going to try to use my English, right? So you have to understand by now because you're going to take the TOEIC, which will be full in English, right? But if we have problems, if I need Pak Lutfi and Miss Dini, Bu Dini needs to explain something that's difficult, then we will also explain it in Bahasa. But for the time being, I'm going to use my English, and I think you can understand me, right? Okay. Now, so again, to remind you, on your TOEIC test, you will have two main parts, right? The listening and the reading section. Yeah. And the listening section consists of, as you can see there, don't forget, it has 4 parts. Okay. And you can see the different parts from part 1 to part 4 together, all together, the total scores will be, the total numbers of questions will be 100. And for your reading test, we have 3 parts, part 5, 6, and 7. And the total number of test questions will be 100. So that means altogether, the TOEIC will be 200 items. Very different, right? It's very different than what you had on your Fiera, because when you did your Fiera, it was only 100 items. Now it's going to be 200 items. It's going to be more. And when you did your Fiera, I think it took only 1 hour. Now, when you're going to take the TOEIC, okay, it's going to take about 2 hours. Yeah? Okay, so everybody, before you take your TOEIC, you have to sleep well, you have to eat well, okay, and your brain also has to work well. Yeah? So keep the spirit up. Okay, now again, please remember that for the reading part, we have for part 5 and part 6, actually what is tested, what is assessed, right, are the same things. Questions will be fill in the blank. So your test items will be fill in the blank. The only difference is between the blanks in part 5 and 6. Remember, in part 5, there it is going to only be questions, fill in the blank for sentences. Loose, we call it loose, yeah, separate sentences. But when you go to part 6, it's going to be a context. There's going to be a context, maybe an email, a letter, maybe an announcement. And then in the email or in the announcement, you have about 3 or 4 sentences. In the middle of the email or the announcement, you have some sentences in which you have to fill in blanks. Okay. But actually, it's the same thing. What are you tested? You are tested on your vocabulary, on your knowledge of vocabulary, and your knowledge of grammar. Remember, we've done this for 2 sessions already, yeah? So I'm sure that you still remember, right? When it's a vocabulary question, remember that the choices, the options A, B, C, D will be different words, right? But when it's a grammar question, remember that the choices A, B, C, D will be different. Yes, different words, but it's from the same word, okay? Base word, yeah, but different parts of speech. Okay, you still remember parts of speech? Different function of the words. So the different parts of speech, if you and, okay, look at this. This was the quiz, right? Who won the quiz at that time? I think maybe some of you or those of you who won this quiz is still here now. Okay, maybe you're still joining the session. Yeah, but I'm just going to review quickly which is the question. Okay, from the 3 that you see, this is part 5 or part 6. First of all, I want you to tell me in the chat box, okay, and Pak Lutfi and Ibu Dini will tell me, is this part 5 or 6? Oke, Hasintus, thank you. Hisantus atau siapa ya tadi? Oh, Johanna, thank you. Good. This is part 5. Mbak Dini, Miss Dini, did everybody say part 5?
Yeah, I'm getting the same message as you, Bu Afil dari Johanna. Yeah, everybody's saying mostly part 5.
Good, very good. So you are learning very well.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They get it. They get it.
They get beautiful. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Fikri. Okay, thank you, Dan. Yeah, part 5, because it is just sentences. Now we're going to look at, again, remember, if you look at the option, look at the first sentence here, and this is the blank. And if you see the options, look, okay, look at the option, different words or different parts of speech. Which one? Are these A, B, C, D? If you look at the options A, B, C, D, are they different words or different parts of speech? Thank you, Rian. Okay, different words. Thank you, Dea. Okay, different words. Sefi, thank you. Different words, right? So is this a vocabulary question or is this a grammar question? Listen to my question. Okay, vocabulary or grammar? Vocabulary. Okay, thank you, Johanna. Thank you, Tiara. It is a vocabulary question, right? So, which of the words? Okay, this is a vocab. You know that already in the first few seconds when you read this question, you know, oh, this is vocab. Okay, now you start reading the sentence carefully. And when you read the sentence, remember subject, remember predicate. Yeah, there is a subject. What are we talking about? That's the subject. And what is the subject doing? That's the verb. Okay? Is there any object? Right? Is there any preposition? Is there any noun? Any conjunction? Okay, let's see. All right, so what's the subject here? What's the subject here? Fitria already said the organizers of the trip. So what's the verb? What did the organizers of the trip do? What did the organizers of the trip do? Who can tell me? Who can write it on the chat box? Rian, thank you very much. Reminded, yeah. Inaya, thank you very much. So here you go. Thank you, Sir Effie. So this is how you read. Yeah. You don't just read words. This is how you understand that all these words mean something. And that's how you have to understand. That's why it's called reading. It's not just reading words, but you need to classify, remember, to cluster, to group, okay, which of the words are subject, which of the words act as a noun, okay, and which of the words act as an object, for example. Okay, so you already understand that the subject is a group of words, not just one word, group of words. And what are they? You already said it. The organizers of the trip, right? And what did the organizers of the trip do? They reminded. Okay, who did they remind? Now the question is, okay, they reminded, right? They reminded. So the next word here is who did they remind? Right, Rian? They reminded the participants, right, Effie? They reminded the participants, right? Now, this is the clue. Thank you, Sefira. So they reminded the participants, yeah, and Dea. Now, here we go. If you have two, they reminded the participants. This is the verb, reminded the participants to. Di sini does not mean, here does not mean to, for. To di sini is not a what do you call that? It is not a preposition of place gitu loh. Tapi to di sini is to introduce another verb. Because you have two verbs now in that sentence. Reminded who, the participants, to do what? At the steps of the city hall. Where? When? At 2 p.m. Yeah, reminded the participants to do what then? Now you think. Yeah, think. Because, okay, listen kids. Okay, listen to me carefully first. Because grammatically, yeah, if we talk about grammar, we know that we need a verb. Itu kan? We need a verb. All these words are verbs. Okay, all these words are verbs. To see is a verb. To combine is a verb. Need is a verb. Go is a verb. All these are verbs. The same parts of speech, but different verbs. Now, that's why this is a vocabulary question. Okay, I'm going to ask you to think. Sekarang, now I'll give you just 30 seconds, ya, to berpikir, right, to think and understand, try to understand what I said. Because I know that this need time, you need time to understand. So I'm going to stop talking. Yeah, I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to tell you, I'm not asking the answer, right? Think. Think not the answer, but think what I said. These are all the same parts of speech, the same function, verbs, right? But different verbs. So that is why it is a vocabulary question. Karena parts of speech-nya sama. Kata-katanya yang berbeda. Sama-sama kata kerja. Tapi yang satu kata kerja see, yang satu kata kerja combine, yang satu meet, yang satu go. Makanya it is a vocab question. Dah, sekarang udah penasaran semua, udah pada mau jawab, gitu kan ya. To apa ya? To do what? Where? At the steps of the city hall. When? At 2 p.m. To apa coba? Now you think. Karena kalau semua mau dimasukin dari sisi tata bahasa, semua benar. Gitu loh. Grammarnya semua benar. Kan habis to verb. Ya bisa aja dong Miss kalau verbnya combine, meet, go, see, semua bisa sisi kata kerja. Tetapi sekarang kata kerja yang betul. Meaningnya harus betul. It has to make sense, masuk di akal. Gitu loh. Yang mana ya? To apa at the steps of the city hall at 2 p.m. Si participants itu kan reminded by the organizer to do what? To see. To combine at the steps. To see at the steps. To meet at the steps atau to go at the steps. Nih, soalnya masih jawabannya masih A, B, C, D, A, B, C. Nih, kayaknya oke, I think we have meet C. Ayo, yang mana? Think. To see, kalau you say to see itu melihat. Jadi maksudnya apa ya? The organizers of the trip reminded the participants to see siapa? Untuk melihat siapa? To go at the steps of the city hall? No, not to go. To meet, that's right. Nah, anak-anakku, stop answering. Now listen to me again. Stop answering. Okay, ya. Right. Now listen to my explanation. Okay. Kenapa nggak bisa to see? Karena kalau sudah to see siapa gitu kan? To see itu kan melihat di sini. Melihat siapa? Melihat. Jadi the organizers of the trip reminded the participants untuk melihat. Melihat apa? At the steps of the city hall. Ini at loh. At the steps of the city hall means di. Itu kan? It's a preposition phrase. Right? Jadi, jadinya dia melihat tangga. To see di sini bukan bertemu. To see di sini melihat. To see what? Right? To combine. Ini lebih nggak make sense lagi. It doesn't make sense. Dia bukan apa di tangga. Okay? To meet at the steps. If I say, Dini, meet me at the restaurant. Lutfi, meet me at the cafe. Ya, meet at. So the answer dan to go bukan to go at, to go to. Ya, so anak-anak, you have to remember gandengannya, pasangannya. Go, to go at, nggak pernah kita bilang to go at. Kita selalu bilang to go to, pergi ke. Ya, dan itu gandengannya pasti kalau to go adalah to dong, bukan to go at. Ini bedanya dalam bahasa Indonesia. You are still thinking in bahasa Indonesia. Karena kalau di bahasa Indonesia, saya tahu kenapa Anda banyak juga yang jawab go. Ya, Karena di dalam bahasa Indonesia kamu berpikirnya gini loh, pergi ke, gitu kan? Pergi ke sana. Jadi kan at, kan tempat, at the steps. But for English, si kata-kata go ini nggak bisa you go at. At itu sebuah tempat di mana sesuatu terjadi. Oke, different. You bisa kita pergi ke tangga-tangga, tapi berarti jadinya go to the steps, not go at the steps. Oke, clear? Itu ya. Oke, so the right answer is to meet. Ya, oke. Makanya saya mau kalian berpikir. Jadi sudah harus ingat-ingat lagi belajarnya, you need to remember. Go itu gandengannya apa ya? Kalau saya go to apa? Go to. Oh iya. Kalau saya see, oh nggak ada tuh gandengannya. I see you, I see the building, I see the picture, I see the movies. Nggak pakai at, in, on. Kalau see. Combine sama, nggak ada add in on-nya, to-nya, nggak ada. Combine apa yang mau di-combine? I combine, I combine sugar and misalnya combine sugar sama apa ya? Combine sugar and something else, alright? Menyatukan, ya. Oh, sugar and tea. Thank you, Fadian. Haus ya. Sugar and water. Thank you, Rian. Alright ya. So, tapi langsung ya. Jadi dari segi tata bahasa, when you see langsung noun-nya. Dari segi tata bahasa, combine apa yang mau dikombinasikan. Misalnya colors. Oh, color combination. Okay, so we combine yellow and blue. It becomes green. Nggak ada to, nggak ada in. Itu kan? Oke. Jadi tidak mungkin jawabnya adalah see and combine. Ya. So, to meet, right? Nah, kalau at itu kan di satu tempat. Bisa in, bisa at. Jadi kalau sudah ada ini, ya, ada ini, berarti bacanya jadi satu ya, at the steps. At lagi di sini. Apa kan? Preposition of place, ada preposition of time. This, at. Okay, so the answer is, kalau go juga kan tadi go to. Okay, so the answer is C, ya. Because this is a review, nggak ada hadiah ya karena review ya, belum. Sabar, pulsa datang sebentar lagi.
Later nanti Bu ya. Not now.
Bentar ya, sebentar lagi. Oke, dah beres ya. Oke. Terus the second sentence. Ayo, let's look at the second sentence. Nah, udah sekarang dalam 1 second. 1 detik. 1 second you already know. It's not vocabulary. What is it? What kind of question is it? It's grammar, Janet. Thank you. Tiara, thank you. Well, how do you know it's grammar, Sefi? Tiara, Janet, how do you know it's grammar? Hiasin, it's grammar. How? Pertanyaan saya, how? Bagaimana kalian tahu ini grammar? Dari mana coba? Because different apa? Thank you Farhan. Farhan tadi udah nyeletuk tuh. Ada suffix. Ya. Kata dasar yang sama. Sefi, that's right. Hah? The same verb. Word is not the same. Iya. Oke, the word is not the same. Betul, ini juga wordnya nggak sama loh. Tapi different? parts of speech. Kata dasarnya sama betul, tapi fungsinya berbeda-beda di sini ya. Tadi sudah ada yang nyeletuk suffix tuh. Yang nyeletuk suffix tadi siapa ya? Bisa dibaca nggak, Din? Lutfi, can you write down? Oh, Farhan tuh. Farhan sampai A-nya banyak banget. Saya.
Soalnya kayaknya dia ini deh Bu, ibu aja ya. Kita nggak muncul soalnya di sini.
Ya, di sana ada, kalau teman-teman lihat di bawah tuh ada to all panelists, ada ke perorangan ya, chatnya, jadi memang nggak semuanya mungkin.
Chat to me, oke. Saya mau tanya, Farhan udah pernah dapat pulsa belum ya?
Farhan siapa namanya ya Bu?
M Farhan. Farhan, can you please chat me? Coba.
Chat to all panelists aja kalau enggak.
To all panelists. Oh, Rian teriak-teriak, saya belum Bu. Ya, sabar ya.
Farhan Fadilah.
Anak ini lucu-lucu.
Oh, kemarin udah Bu, dia jujur.
Oh,
Kemarin
udah jujur. Oke. Oke, thank
belum
you
ada
so
pulsa yang
much.
masuk.
Tapi katanya pulsanya kenapa?
Sabar ya Farhan. Ya ampun. Nanti ya minggu depan insya Allah diajukan.
Jadi kalau udah dapat pulsa nggak boleh dapat lagi ya, Din?
Satu kali aja buat teman-teman yang lain.
Ya, kita bagi-bagi ya. Oke, ayo. Tadi yang belum tuh teriak-teriak, saya belum. Ya udah, ayo jawab yang benar dulu. So, this is jadi this is again, this is grammar ya. Tadi Farhan sudah share, nggak bisa share sih ya, masalahnya if they write, they can write it for everybody, right? They only write it to the panelists. Okay, so guys, okay, stop. Ya, Rian said itu Bu udah ada different, different function katanya. Different parts of speech. Now, how do you know it's different parts of speech? One of the things that you know is because of the suffix, like what Farhan said. Tadi Farhan udah bantu teman-temannya sebetulnya. Different parts of speech. Dan different because of the different suffix. Betul. Ya. Jadi, how do you know it's a different parts of speech? One of the things that you know that it's a different parts of speech because of the suffix, kata belakangnya. Okay? Imbuhan, right? Ini ada ada est, ada li, ada nes. Nah, pertanyaan saya bukan mana yang benar. Pertanyaan saya adalah, if the suffix is li, what kind of parts of speech is that? Fitria udah jawab tuh.
Oh iya, Fitria di saya juga langsung nih.
Fitria juga, si Farhan juga jawab. Siti juga jawab. Oke. Iya, Inayah jawab. 4. Oke, Hesti. Ya, udah jangan salah lagi ya. Jangan pakai mikir lagi loh. Li apaan? Adverb. Oke. Ya. Kalau, thank you Andi. Oke, now, if, listen to my question. Udah berhenti jawab. Sekarang another question nih, right? If the ending of the word is ness. If the ending of the word is ness. Ayo, what is it? Tuh, Fitria tadi jawab ya. Jawabnya ke all panelists ya, jangan ke saya aja ya. Karena saya suka jarang-jarang juga baca chat gitu, because I'm looking at my PowerPoint. Ya, ada yang benar, ada yang... Lutfi, Mbak Dini, can you help?
Macam-macam Bu. Ada
no, ada adjective ya di kita ya, dapetnya ya.
Oke, jadi yang keluar apa? Adjective sama...
Iya, adjective noun. Mix banget sih.
Oke. Right. Nggak ada yang keluar adverb lagi kan, tapi kan ya?
Udah enggak.
Nggak ada. Oke. Look, wait. Okay, everybody stop answering. Udah. Berhenti menjawab and listen. Ya. Coba kamu berpikir deh. You have the other words also ending in ness. ya. The other words also ending in ness. Happiness. Misalnya, my happiness is, atau my happiness from when I see my students. What does it mean? My happiness. My happiness. But what is happiness? Kebahagiaan. Kebahagiaan saya. Betul. Udah ada tuh. My. My itu kan belong ke saya. Milik saya itu my. Right? Jadi happiness di situ bukan saya bahagia dong. My happiness does not mean bahagia saya atau saya bahagia. No, but kebahagiaan saya. That's right. Is it a noun or an adjective? Kalau kebahagiaan saya. A noun or an adjective? Ayo. Noun, 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 noun. Masih ada yang ngeyel adjektif ya?
Ada satu orang, maybe.
Okay, it's not an adjective ya. If it's an adjective, I will say I am happy. That's an adjective. Saya bahagia. Tapi nggak bisa kita bilang I happy. Nggak bisa. Karena subject, adjective, listen, subject, adjective is not English. Iya, Rian. Rian udah dapet itu belum ya? Udah dapet pulsa belum? Duh, saya udah pengen kasih pulsa, tapi udah pada dapet pulsa yang jawab.
Sebentar Bu, saya cari dulu. Rian kayaknya sih.
Rian udah dapet pulsa belum?
Rian belum sih Bu.
Belum ya? Karena tadi Rian jawabannya Dini and Lutfi, you can see it right because I think Rian is answering to the all panelists, right? Not only to me.
Yep.
Yep. What did Rian say, Lutfi?
Ya, Rian bilang Bu.
Rian, kenapa bukan I happy? Okay, I remember this.
Harus ada bantuan M katanya. Harus ada bantuan M.
Iya. Cantik banget jawabannya. Berarti mudah-mudahan Rian paham ini because you listen to us. Kapan sih akhir ketemu saya jadi pusing sama hari Senin ya.
On Monday.
Monday ya. Soalnya ya anak-anak Pak Lutfi sama Mbak Dini itu webinar terus jadi lama-lama kita pusing kita apa dia terakhir ketemu sama anak-anak. Kemarin kita ketemu sama guru gitu. Baru kemarin kita ketemu sama guru. Sekarang kita ketemu anak apa guru. Oke. So everybody listen. Udah. Oke, listen ya. Listen. But we are very happy when we meet you. Ya, yang paling seneng tuh kalau kita ketemu sama anak-anak gitu ya, Din. Ya. Kita semangat banget kalau ketemu anak.
Iya, bener banget.
Soalnya anak-anak lucu-lucu. Gurunya lebih lucu ya. Okay, so anyway, we're so happy to meet you ya, because you are all very excited, very semangat, very spirited, right? Very eager to learn. Okay, now listen. Dah, stop your chat. Now listen. Rian said, kenapa, saya tadi tanya, kenapa nggak bisa ya I happy? Itu subject, noun, plus adjective. Ya. Tata bahasa seperti itu tidak ada di dalam bahasa Inggris. I happy. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, in Indonesian, that's how we say it. Saya bahagia, saya senang, right? But in English, remember, every sentence must have a verb. Subject, plus verb. Nah, verbnya apa? Orang happy kan bukan verb, ma'am. Happy kan adjektif. Ya, makanya harus ditambah helping verbnya. Iya, Evi. Masih ingat helping verb? Right. Helping verbnya karena I, jadi apa dong? Am, to be, benar. Jadi am. Ya, ingat ya, anak-anak kan masih muda-muda ya, you're very young. Saya ketemu direktur aja itu masih bisa loh bicara, oh I happy to meet you, gitu kan. Gak bisa itu. Dan ini bukan penyakit, ini adalah kelemahan semua orang Indonesia.
Yep.
Kenapa? Karena struktur bahasa Inggris dengan bahasa Indonesia ada yang berbeda. Gitu loh. Jadi dari sekarang, remember that. Nanti kalau kalian jadi direktur, ya, insya Allah, amin, semuanya nanti jadi direktur kan ya. Kan bisa juga jadi President of the Republic of Indonesia, lu. Right? Nah, very possible, right? And you will be able to say, bukan I happy, but I am happy. When you say things in English, think in English. You cannot translate bahasa Indonesia, tata bahasa Indonesia, plek, dibawa ke bahasa Inggris. Nggak bisa. Karena ada yang berbeda. Satu perbedaan. Ini Bu Dini and Pak Lutfi will agree. Ini adalah perbedaan yang mendasar yang kita semua harus ingat. Ya, subject plus verb. Right? Nah, di dalam bahasa Indonesia kita bisa subject plus adjective. Right? In English, we cannot say subject plus adjective. We say subject plus verb. Kalau mau ada adjektifnya menggambarkan kondisi kita kan adjective. Lah verbnya kan nggak ada. Ya dikasih apa tadi anak-anak? Helping verb. Clear? Oke, great ya. Oke, jadi yang dapat pulsa siapa di sesi ini?
Jangan dong Bu, nanti banyak yang ribut nih.
Biarin aja.
Ya udah.
Rian dong. Rian udah dapat ya?
Rian belum.
Rian udah dapat belum? Udah kan
Belum,
tadi
belum.
Rian udah mengaku bahwa dia sudah dapat.
Belum, Farhan Bu yang dapat.
Oh, Farhan yang dapat. Tadi siapa sih yang menjawab saya? Rian atau Farhan?
Ada dua. Pertama Farhan, yang kedua Rian.
Oke, jadi berarti yang belum dapat dong ya. Oke.
Iya,
So Farhan. Ya, oke.
Farhan sudah, berarti mau kasih ke Rian atau gimana Bu maksudnya?
Kan Rian udah dapat.
Rian belum Bu.
Oh, Rian belum. Oke, ya udah Rian dikasih dong ya. Kan kadang-kadang salah juga nggak jadi ya, yang penting semangat. Tapi jangan semangat salah gitu loh.
Jadi Rian Hidayatullah ya Bu. Rian tolong kirimin nomornya ke saya ya. Makasih.
Ke Bu Dini ya Rian. Kalau nggak ke Bu Dini ntar nggak dapat pulsa. Oke. Dini itu jualan pulsa soalnya. Oke.
Kacau.
Oke. Yuk kita terus ya. Dah, yuk kemana ya. Bu pakai kuis aja, nanti kuisnya nanti belakangan. Oke, alright. The recent worldwide increase, dan untuk yang pasti ribut lagi nih yang nonton di YouTube, live streaming gitu ya. Ya memang kita semua ada keterbatasan. Jadi nanti kalau pakai kuis nanti di di sesi ke-8 nanti baru berkuis-kuisan dengan Bitly gitu kan. Oke. Udah ya. Oke, so let's continue. The recent worldwide increase. Nah, in oil prices, look, subject. Ayo guys, subjeknya mana? In this sentence, what's the subject? Come on, what's the subject? Subject. Subjeknya harus ada noun ya, harus ada noun. Nounnya mana nounnya? Oil prices, tadi ada yang bilang oil prices. Ya, harus ada noun, noun. Si noun harus ada loh. Oke. Jadi di situ the reason worldwide, kalau the reason worldwide memang ada noun. Nounnya mana? Worldwide itu noun. Worldwide bukan noun. The reason worldwide increase. Oke, boleh, boleh. Tapi ditambahin lagi lebih baik. In oil prices. Betul sebetulnya, ya. You paling tidak harus menjawab the recent worldwide increase. Mesti jawab, harus ada increase-nya, itu noun. Jangan cuma jawab the recent worldwide. Worldwide is not a noun. Remember, subject has to have a noun. The recent worldwide increase, okay. In what? Increase in what? Increase apa nih? In oil prices. So the whole subject could be or is the recent worldwide increase in oil prices. Yes, thank you Janet. Kenapa? Verbnya, ayo verbnya mana verbnya? Verbnya mana? Has led. Tuh Fitria jawab tuh. Rian juga ikutan jawab. Walaupun udah dapat pulsa. Dea juga jawab. Walaupun dapat pulsa. Tuh kan kita kasih semangatnya ya. Oke. Has led. Bukan led aja ya. Harus ada has-nya ya. Has led ya. Has itu apa sih? Has itu? Remember? Has itu apa sih? Has. Helping verb. Beautiful. Has led. It's a helping verb. Oke. Jadi, you memahami sentence ini adalah the recent worldwide increase in oil prices has led, gitu kan? Has led to a blah 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 demand for vehicles, for electric vehicles. To a, ini demand. And what is demand? Is it a noun or a verb? Permintaan, Dea. Jadi artinya right. Because it's a noun and then we have the noun. What do we need before the noun? Karena ini ujiannya partial speech loh di sini. Adjective. Oke. Nah, mungkin nggak C? Listen guys. Is it possible? Enggak, kata Fitria, karena she is an adverb. Iya, bagus. Jadi dicoret langsung ya, eliminasi, eliminasi. Oke, guys, langsung dieliminasi si C. Mana lagi yang mau dieliminasi? Which one? Which of the words do you also want to eliminate? D. Tadi ada yang tulis D. Kenapa bukan D? Why is D not possible? Why is it impossible that the answer is D? Why? Because it is a noun. Ya, saya hanya membaca jawaban yang pertanyaan saya. Oke, karena noun, betul. Jadi D, iya, Tri. Jadi D juga harus dieliminasi. Dari 4 jawaban, kalian sudah mengeliminasi 2. Greatly, greatness. Right? Now you only have 2 possibilities. Greater, greatest. Yang mana? Ini nih, ini bukan the, yes. Hah? Greatest. Kalau greatest itu yang terhebat. Wait. Greater atau greatest. Ingat ya, kalau greatest itu berarti Superlatif yang terhebat. Kalau sudah tertinggi, terbesar, biasanya pakai apa? Pakai atau pakai the? Tuh, Padlan udah jawab the. Oke. Oke. Pakai the kan? Jadi jadi yang mana? A or B? Which one is the right one? You have apa di sini? A greatest. Yes, Anissa. Fitri. Yes, Rangga. Okay. Why? Because we have a greater. You will never say a greatest. Yang paling kamu selalu bilang the. Oke. Okay. Salah ya. Oke, okay. Ini ya. Udah dengar kan jawaban saya? Remember? Oke. Okay. It is because it's a greater demand. It is A because we use this. You know already why it's not D. You know already why it's not C. We know that we need an adjective. Nah, tapi di sini dua adjectives loh. Ada comparative adjective, ada degrees of comparison ini. Ada yang superlative, tadi udah dibilangin. Superlative itu artinya ya. So, if it is right, if it is itu biasanya kita dengan the. Ya, tapi it is membandingkan lebih dari, then we use a greater. Oke? Beres ya. Oke, yuk let's move on. Ingat-ingat lagi nih, ini memang pelajaran ini memang cukup panjang ya, karena this is more challenging than the listening. Oke, so the next group, yuk. Pertanyaan, the next sentence, yuk. What is the subject? Everybody, come on. Ini gampang loh, teman-teman. What's the subject? Tell me. Can you type the subject, please, everyone? Okay. Subject. Okay. Okay, Faris. All right. Johanna. Okay. The subject, the people there, the nouns, right? Pronouns. Ya. Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo. Nah. Okay. Terus, wait. Is there any verb or not? Ada verb enggak? Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo are the final candidates. Itu dulu deh. Sampai situ dulu berhenti. Ada verbnya enggak? Di Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo are the final candidates. Ada verbnya enggak? Mr. Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo are the final candidates. Nggak ada verbnya sama sekali di kalimat itu. Kok bisa jadi kalimat? Ada. Oke, Vira. Oke, Inaya. Yes. What's the candidate? Dea, Inaya tadi? Yang are. Verb itu kata kerja. Nggak mungkin final candidates kok, karena sekandidat kata kerja. Okay, Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo are. Kata kerja kan, tapi bukan action kan? Ya, it's a helping verb. Good. Nah, ya, ini in bahasa Indonesia, nih, in bahasa Indonesia, Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo adalah. Itu kan adalah itu in English itu is the verb to be juga. Jadi verb to be itu bisa dipakai, okay, listen carefully, Verb to be can be used, itu kan bisa dipakai tadi kan, I am happy. Bukan artinya saya adalah bahagia loh, tapi saya bahagia, right? Ya memang si to be emang verb, Rusan. Soalnya Rusan gini, oh to be itu bisa jadi verb. Ya memang dia verb, dia memang ya. Okay, so listen. All right, listen, because I'm going to explain it only once. All right, listen carefully. So to be, can I use my whiteboard? By the way, is it possible for me to use my whiteboard? Not ya.
Harusnya sih bisa, Bu.
Oh ya, kayaknya anak-anak jadi kayak. Can I just try to use my whiteboard? Please ya. Wait. Aduh, saya udah lupa dengan si Webex soalnya. Dean,
Iya, Bu. Iya, Bu.
help. How do I go to the big screen karena saya sekarang jadi grid view. How do I go to so that I can see?
Harus stop sharing dulu nggak sih, Bu?
Stop sharing ya. Oke, tunggu ya anak-anak ya, sabar ya. Oh, saya share whiteboard. There should be a whiteboard, right?
Whiteboardnya itu di
Atas ya. Nggak ada.
ada kalau di share. Ibu coba jalan share. Klik share di atas tuh.
I am doing the share now.
Lalu pilih whiteboard.
Doing this. I don't see any whiteboard. The share is from the bottom on my screen. It's at the bottom bar, but I don't see anyone.
If you up there,
It's okay.
edit. We have share. Right?
Yeah, I know. But I don't see anyone. I don't see it. I don't know why. Okay, that's okay. Yuk, kita terus aja. Ya, sorry ya. Ini nih, saya whiteboardnya pakai poin aja deh ya. I think they can see it, right? Okay, so ini ya, di whiteboardnya supaya anak-anak tak bingung dan ini pelajaran yang harus dikuasai urusan grammar. Okay? Nah, kalau nggak bingung terus ini nanti, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Ya. Okay, so we were talking about the verb. Can you see it? Is it clear enough? I think for the kids are also clear. Yeah, we're talking about the verb to be. What are the verb to be? Right? Was, we have were. Okay, everybody remembers that. Now, in Bahasa Indonesia, in English, all sentences ini all in English, okay? All sentences in English have a subject and a verb, right? So if we say, so I cannot say, so this is wrong if I say I happy. This is wrong. Why? Is this wrong? No verb. You have the subject and you have adjective. Yeah, there is no verb. What is the verb? What is the verb then? It's not an action because I'm not doing anything. This is how I feel, right? This is how I feel. So the sentence should be I, and we have am, right? Then we have happy. Sorry. Oops. We have happy. This is the subject. This is the verb. This is the adjective. Clear? Okay. So, this is the helping verb. When there is no action verb, and because the subject tidak melakukan sebuah pekerjaan, ini saya hanya menggambarkan how I feel. Bagaimana kondisi saya. Bagaimana perasaan saya. I'm happy. Itu kan? Ini adjective. Jadi di sini subject plus helping verb plus adjective. There must always be a verb. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now, when you say, lagi dari bentuknya gitu kan, what was, Teria said. Nah, tadi kan, the sentence sebelum ini kan, Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arko are the final candidates. Nih, sekarang contoh yang tadi ya. We have Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo. Nah, tiba-tiba dia ada helping verb. Are the final candidates, gitu kan? Terus ada bla bla bla. Sini dulu deh, saya stop di sini dulu supaya kalian mengerti, and that's mengerti untuk selamanya. Okay, so Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo, this is the subject. Tuh ya. Ya. Coba you lihat di sini. Ini bukan verb, ini juga noun kan? Nouns. Verbnya mana? Itu kan? The verb is this one. Why is it a verb? Nah, this is another helping verb, tapi ya fungsinya berbeda. Bukan di sini I am happy, tapi di sini fungsinya sebetulnya sama dengan kalau di bahasa Indonesia we say Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo. This is in bahasa Indonesia ya. Okay. The final candidates. This is in bahasa Indonesia. Okay, I'm going to stop here and share this screen with you so that everybody can see clearer. Silakan di screenshot. Ini diingat-ingat sepanjang hidupnya. This is the Indonesian, this is the difference between English and bahasa Indonesia. Ya, oke. Oke, jadi kenapa are? Itu kan ya tadi kenapa are? Nah kan kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia gampang kan, kita tinggal bilang saya adalah guru. Kamu adalah siswa. Adalahnya tetap. But in English, the adalah becomes different. Because it depends on the subject. Adalahnya beda-beda. Kenapa? Is, am, are. I am, you are, he, she, it is, they are, right? Oke, kalau kita bicara misalnya saya nggak jadi guru lagi, dulu saya guru itu, dan you say I was, right? Dini and Lutfi were, itu kan? Ya, suaranya patah-patah, Din. Am I still clear or not?
Clear kok, Bu.
Oke, ya udah.
Clear kok dari
Yang
sini.
suara saya patah-patah. Udah ya? Dah. Beres ya semua. Silakan di screenshot and think. Oke. Now we go back again. Jadi Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo are the final candidates. Itu kan? Itu sebetulnya udah jadi satu kalimat sendiri. Tapi dia diterusin nih. Under. This is preposition, right? Under apa for the position of Director of Development. Under, we're talking about final candidates for the position of Director of Development. Understand the sentence, understand the sentence, understand the meaning of the sentence. Meaningnya apa di sini? Jadi si Miss Ikeda and Mr. Arroyo, they are the final candidates untuk posisi apa? Director of Development. Iya, ya kan? Jadi a vocabulary question. Betul, Johanna. Untuk posisi Director of Development. Jadi dia under, ini juga expression, under apa? Belum loh, dia belum. Confirmation, konfirmasi. Mana yang paling tepat? Konfirmasi? Maksudnya apa ya kalau dia under konfirmasi? Sedang dikonfirmasi, gitu. Elimination? Nggak mungkin. Which is the most possible? A. Consideration. Under consideration. Ya. Itu sedang di, artinya apa? Consideration. Pertimbangkan. Oke? Sedang dipertimbangkan. Thank you, Keiko. Right? So, it has to make sense. It has to make sense. Kalian jangan tak. Tenang, baca dengan tenang, and you need to understand. The sentence has to make sense. Berpikir. Think. Karena kalau kamu masukin semua, kalau dari segi grammar juga bisa. Semuanya noun kok. Ya, halo? Lutfi? Halo?
Masih kok, still around. Masih.
Soalnya kenapa ada anak-anak yang bilang suara saya hilang.
Yeah.
Jadi tolong teriak-teriak ya.
Yeah, kemungkinan connection problems probably.
Ya. So ya, jadi harus juga make sense gitu loh. Kalian harus berpikir kalau udah vocab. Karena dari segi grammar semua tuh noun, jadi bisa aja masuk A, B, C, D kalau grammarnya loh. Tapi sekarang sense-nya yang masuk di akal apa sih? Orang dia ini lagi jadi final candidates for the position of Director of Development. Ya kan? Loh kok terus dia dieliminasi? Kan dia final candidates. Oh, jadi dia kira-kira consideration ya. Consideration itu sedang dipertimbangkan. Alright? Nggak mungkin eliminasi loh, karena itu nggak make sense kalimat kalian. Gitu. Alright? Oke. Ya. Nih vocab. Alright. So the answer is A. Ya, ini tadi sudah beres. Now, we're going to part 7. Oke. Ini tadi juga saya di part 7 itu sama. Oke, so this is parts of speech again, ada nouns, ada pronouns, ada verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Take a screenshot so that you will remember this. And here you have the examples. Here you have where is put in the sentence. Where usually you will find these in a sentence. Okay, and you have this one, right? The articles, the prepositions, conjunction, interjection. Interjection itu kata-kata yang oh wow, awesome, oops, yang seperti itu. Okay, oh my god, OMG, right? Those are interjections, exclamations that express strong feelings. That's what we call interjections, yeah? And usually we put it in front of sentence, especially you will find this in your listening. Tadi helping verbs, masih ingat? And this one is you cluster it so that you will remember it better. And now, yuk, part 7 is a reading comprehension. Yeah. It's not asking vocabulary titik dijawab dengan vocab atau grammar, tetapi your knowledge, your understanding about grammar and vocabulary will help you understand a reading text. If you don't understand most of the vocabulary in a reading text, yeah, you will be able to go, huh? What? Okay. If you don't understand grammar, you will not be able to understand. All right. You will not be able to understand this passage, this text. Did I share the PowerPoint? I'm sharing the PowerPoint already, right? Hello?
Ya, Bu.
Yes, po.
It's already
Ini
on the
di
screen.
shareholder.
Ya, ini anak-anak kayaknya sudah mulai ada yang ini deh, ada yang koneksinya karena ada yang bilang can share PowerPoint.
Oh, mungkin untuk
Mungkin
dari
dia
dia
mau,
ini,
Bu.
dari
Mau
dia
pakai
pengen minta PowerPoint-nya Ibu katanya.
Share itu share dikirim.
Iya.
Bahasa teknologi sampai kacau kita. Oke, gimana ngirimnya ya?
Mungkin
kan
kan
ada
sudah
di
bisa
download
ya
di
portal
itu,
siswa
Bu,
mungkin.
Google Drive.
Gimana you are talking at the same time. Dini dulu, gimana Din?
Di Google Drive aja nanti di share, Bu. Kan
Oke.
mereka bisa cari.
Sekarang udah tahu kan ya di Google Drive, nanti kita bikin aja tambahan gitu ya, sesi pembelajaran untuk kesekian yang ke-7 ya. Oke. Oke Dea, thank you. Nah, dah ya. Sekarang, okay, here we go. You're welcome Dea. So, you have this is a whole passage, right? This is a whole passage. Again, when you read this, it's a group of sentences, but you have to be able to understand each sentence, right? The meaning of each sentence. And it's easier if you understand, you will understand the meaning of the sentence, right? You read subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object. So then all the sentences will make sense. Nah, sekarang look at this, dear shareholder. Siapa yang mau baca ya? Can you please read it? Pak Lutfi.
I'm here.
Go ahead, Pak Lutfi.
Okay.
Ya. Okay.
Dear shareholder, please find and close the agenda for the annual general meeting. We wish to take this time to remind shareholders that your attendance and input at the meeting is vital. We value your opinions and encourage your participation. As a shareholder, you are eligible to vote on several key issues such as important transactions and shareholder stock options. For your benefit, please make yourself available for this important meeting. If you require further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Yours truly, GM, and I'm not sure, Smith, yeah, Smith, that's a name, so I don't know how to pronounce that name correctly.
Okay, I don't pronounce it correctly either, Lut. So
All right.
alright. So who are you, Lutfi? Because you
I'm
are reading it.
GM Smith or Smite.
Oke. Ya. Nah, nih kan keluar lagi kan? Who, what, when, where, what, itu kan ya. Alright. Now this is not the answer. Like number 1 is not A, 2 is not B, 3 is not C. So I'm gonna ask everybody to, okay, what do you think? Attend this meeting. What's the answer? Okay, I'm going to give about 30 seconds for everybody to answer. All right, can you try to answer? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is 1? Is it A, B, C? 2, is it A, B, which A, B, or C? A, B, or C. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds. Jawab semuanya ya. Jawabnya langsung aja. Nomor 1 apa? Nomor tuh kayak Rangga. Tiara juga udah jawab. Ada yang namanya Lutfi juga.
We have the same name.
Yes, same name. Alright. Yeah. Okay, 30 seconds is up. Alright, so what is the answer? Who will attend this meeting? Where can we find the answer? Where can we find the answer? Badini? Badini?
Iya, Bu.
Where can we find which sentence ya? Badini, which sentence tell us? Okay, everybody stop answering. Let's listen to Badini. Listen to Badini ya. So my question to Ibu is, ini right? Okay, listen ya everybody. Who will attend this meeting? Which sentence ya, Badini? Which sentence tells you this information?
The second one, we wish to take this time to remind shareholders that your attendance and input at the meeting is vital. So the ones that will attend the meeting is the shareholders
All
of the
right.
company.
So Miss Dini said, from the second sentence, we wish to take this time to remind. Tuh tadi ada reminder, ada remind. Itu kan ya. To remind who? Ini kan? We wish to remind siapa? Shareholders. Okay. That your attendance and input at the meeting is vital. So the answer for yeah. Oops. Okay. Right. So shareholder agree? So let's just shareholder here. Kita put shareholder jadi si C. Ini saya taruh di atas ini deh. The answer is C. Right? Okay. Now how about number 2? How about number 2? Okay. The question is, what will happen at the meeting? Lut, can you find the answer, Lutfi? What will happen at the meeting, Lutfi? Can you find the answer?
What will happen on the meeting?
Which sentence do you think?
As a shareholder, you are eligible to vote. Kayaknya ini deh nih ya. Must be
Ya.
this nih. Jadi nanti sebagai shareholder boleh ngevote tuh kan ya, ngasih input.
Okay, so the answer is on this sentence, right? And that means what is your sentence then?
Berarti kalau antara
A or
A
B?
atau B, most likely A kayaknya ya. What will happen? I mean voting on issues.
Okay, so this is the answer.
Dari teman-teman
for.
saya dari chat juga banyak sekali yang jawab A nih ya kalau kita lihat nih ya.
Okay, so they're right. Nah, number 3, what is the purpose of this meeting? Agak salah nih sebetulnya.
I think it's the email. Okay.
Purpose of. Ya, gimana Lut? What is the purpose of this meeting? Tinggal B kan?
The
Tapi
purpose of this meeting atau the purpose of this email? Atau pertanyaannya benar nggak Bu?
This meeting atau this mail ya?
To encourage attendance at the meeting.
The question, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Berarti the email, right?
Of this mail ya,
guess.
bukan. Nah.
Why? Right? Why? You're JM Smith, right? Why are you writing this?
Okay, why am I writing this ya? Probably to encourage attendance supaya pada datang.
Dari kalimat itu udah pasti karena tinggal.
Yeah, of course dari process of elimination ya. Tapi dari mana gitu kan ya? Mungkin dari sini mem yang.
It's not just answering.
Iya, mungkin kalau kita lihat dari sini nih, we value your opinions and encourage your participation. Itu paling big clue-nya kayaknya di situ deh.
Okay,
we value your opinions and encourage your participation. Pengen banget nih pada datang gitu.
Value your opinion. Berarti kan kita sangat menghargai bila kalian Anda datang, gitu ya. Jadi purpose-nya adalah to encourage attendance, kehadiran at the meeting, right? Okay, this is emails. Okay.
Lutfi dapat pulsa nggak Bu?
Ya saya dapat pulsanya nih.
Oke. Sekarang pulsanya. Nah, ini dapat pulsa. Ini dapat pulsa.
This one.
Jadi, we would like you to please take a screenshot. Silakan di screenshot ya.
Saya ulangi lagi mungkin buat teman-teman, ini bakal jadi big clue ya buat question nanti. Jadi bisa langsung di screenshot aja nih, karena mungkin nanti kita bakal ke slide berikutnya Bu ya.
Yep.
Jadi mungkin ini nggak kelihatan lagi. Jadi sekarang nih teman-teman kalau mau bisa langsung screenshot. Lewat laptop bisa, lewat device bisa. Jadi nanti kalau mau lihat-lihat ini lagi bisa tuh nanti kalau kita udah pindah slide Bu ya. Oke, jadi sekarang teman-teman nih boleh screenshot slide ini nih. Back to school scavings ya. Oke.
Ready? Dah.
Tuh, ada yang bilang udah tuh dari Rian tuh.
Okay, now we're going to play again. So again, 2 people, gitu kan ya. Kita akan memilih 2 orang yang mendapat pulsa untuk permainan ini. Okay, 2 people to get the what is that? Pulsa apa sih in English?
Is there pulsa system in other countries?
What do we call pulsa in English? Okay,
It's mobile credit.
Huh? Mobile credit. Oh, okay. Mobile credit tuh guys. Tolong dilihat. Soalnya ada yang menulis pulsa katanya. Okay, so mobile credit. Okay, everyone look at the chat box. Ibu Dini has written what pulsa means in English, mobile credit. Okay, yeah. So Okay, everybody, now it's time for you to support Ibu Dini or to support Pak Lutfi. Ya, nanti yang mendapat, oke, tapi yang bisa yang nomor 1 menjawab the first answer to Ibu Dini 300 dapat pulsa. Tapi harus benar ya Din jawabnya. The
Ya dong.
first to answer 300 di tempatnya Pak Lutfi will also get a mobile credit. Ya kan? Nggak apa-apa, mau langsung 300 juga nggak apa-apa.
Okay.
Right? But then after that we will still go on doing 200 and 100 for practice. Ya.
Jadi
Oke.
maksudnya ke privately ya Bu, ke saya atau kepada
Iya.
si, gitu ya.
Teman-teman di set dulu tuh ya chatting sistemnya tuh siapa, kalau mau ke saya akan dicek, ke Pak Lutfi Ibrahim tuh kan ya, atau ke Mbak Dini.
Kayaknya udah banyak pendukungnya nih Lutfi. Jangan to all panelists ya, ke saya privately atau ke Pak Lutfi.
Dan ini hanya berlaku bagi yang poinnya
Semangat Bu Dini.
100 ya.
Pertanyaannya belum ada Bu ya?
Pertanyaannya belum ada. Nah,
Cuma
jadi
tadi menyangkut ke slide yang tadi tuh, Anda screenshot tuh. Jadi kan tadi udah di screenshot. Nah, silakan dibaca dulu tuh, dipahami tuh, you understand it, you comprehend it. Karena itu bakal berpengaruh banget. Reminder lagi nih, ini kan bakal cepet-cepetan Bu ya. Karena banyak sekali yang bersaing nih. Jadi kalau misalnya teman-teman di sini udah baca tadi tuh paragrafnya, udah ngerti, harusnya bisa lebih cepat jawabnya Bu ya.
ya.
So get ready. Mungkin sekarang tadi yang tadi slide-nya udah di screenshot, dibaca-baca dulu, understand it, comprehend it. 5W1H-nya Bu ya. Jadi udah di luar kepala nanti nih pertanyaannya keluar langsung jawab tuh langsung.
Okay. What do you see on your screen now, Lut?
Miss Dini, Mr. Lutfi, and the blue box itu.
Oh, si blue box. Jadi sekarang saya share the game ya. So I'm sharing first.
Okay.
Yeah, and I will share the game.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kenapa saya deg-degan?
So you see the game now, right? On the Okay, great. Alright. So, tergantung Miss Dini loh. Kalau Miss Dini nggak milih 300 ya pada pulsa ya, Din.
Ya 300 lah Bu, biar ada yang dapat pulsa. Ini udah ada yang ngasih nomor telepon, padahal belum.
Okay. So, ini jadi kan nih mau ladies first lagi, ladies first. Ladies first 300, Din.
300 Bu, 300. Teman-teman yang jawab ya, saya ngikutin aja nih.
Pokoknya ngikutin, dan yang pertama
yang benar.
Cepat,
Saya juga belum tahu soalnya apa nih Bu.
Apa?
Belum tahu soalnya apa.
Ya ini soal.
Iya.
Ya, you know ya. Hey guys, hands. Okay. So that means this is a question based on the
yang tadi. Yang back to school savings.
Based on back to school saving. Okay.
What is the lowest price for a laser printer?
Saya kasih waktu 30 detik.
The lowest price. Okay, guys, the lowest price.
10 detik.
We got it. Udah ada yang jawab.
Ya, tapi benar.
Benar. Langsung ada yang jawab.
Udah nih, ya. Semikir.
Gak usah mikir, udah.
So,
sampai di saya tuh ada yang jawab juga tahu.
Amat.
Iya nih.
Yang dapat adalah karena ini Miss Dini, right? Miss Dini pilih 300, berarti yang dapat adalah, right, the one who answered first, the fastest, and the correct answer
Yes.
for Miss Tini. So the correct answer is
Yay.
benar nggak, Din?
Benar
Oke.
benar Bu. Yang jawab benar adalah namanya Lutfianto. Jadi beneran Lutfi nih.
Waduh, emang deh.
Oke, Lutfianto langsung chat saya ya. Ini mobile credit kan Bu yang dapat mobile credit, right?
Iya, dapat mobile
Oke,
credit.
oke. Lutfianto, please chat me privately your phone number now, right now. Okay,
Oke.
congratulations.
Ya, right.
Oh, langsung udah. Gercep ya, luar biasa loh. Terima kasih.
So let's go back.
Oke.
Congratulations. Okay, now the next question here, right? 300 ya, Lut. Of
Sebentar
course.
Bu, I need to talk to my team first nih. Karena tadi kan kalau Bu Dini langsung excited kan sama teman-temannya. Saya rasa teman-teman saya nih, pendukung saya juga pada excited nih, pengennya 300 langsung. Karena that's the important question dong. Mobile creditnya kan di situ. Cuma, guys, I know you're excited, but we have to think smart nih. We have to think smart. Let's get warm up first. Saya rasa sih lebih smart kalau kita warm up first nih. Jadi kita ngerti dulu paragrafnya seperti apa. Jadi ketika 300 kita langsung lebih cepat. So, I think the smart move here kita pilih 100 dulu deh.
Pada jiper ya.
Itu pada pindah.
Bu, saya belum ditambahin 300 skornya.
Ibu nggak ada lagi, nggak ada lagi.
100 dulu deh.
Mestinya kalau
We need
300
to know the paragraph first.
Mestinya kalau 300 pulsanya 300 ya.
Harusnya tuh Bu ya. Mungkin bukan 150.000, 25.000 kali gitu lah ya.
So now ya, jadi yang di Dinis Gang udah nggak ada lagi winner ya, tapi kan sebenarnya
Udah.
untuk menarik anak-anak supaya mau berpartisipasi and think, right? To have fun. Because we just want to say that learning is not always, learning English can be fun. Okay? Ya, dan emang harus kalau kita mau belajar dengan menyenangkan gitu. So we're trying to make it fun for you, but you learn something, okay?
You get something.
Tadi Pak Lutfi bilang katanya jangan ke 300 dulu deh, kita warming. Jadi nggak ada mobile credit for this one, right? Oke. Karena mobile credit hanya keluar untuk 300.
Yeah.
Oke.
Tapi tetap jawab ya, jangan sampai nggak ada yang jawab.
Yeah, of course. Just warming up.
Nah, yang mana? Mau 100 atau 200? Pak Lutfi?
100 dulu. Yeah.
100?
100. The 100 question. Okay, guys, I need your help nih. How much does the new 14-inch laptop cost? Okay.
Answer?
Di saya yang pertama kali jawab itu ada this is not di itu ya, just warming up paling cepat nih. $699. $699.
$699. Titik koma titik ini harus bener loh.
Oke, tapi di saya di sini ada dua tuh ya. Oke. Ada yang $6 ya, ada yang $699. Tapi yang tepat di sini adalah $699 ya, Bu ya. 600. $600 ya. Oke. Hati-hati nih, kan makanya so this is why I like to warm up nih. Jadi kayak teman-teman ya hati-hati tuh koma titiknya ya, karena that matters loh, Ibu ya. Matters a lot tuh.
So,
karena kalau 6.99 artinya $6.
So there's a difference ya, because in US dollars, right, we have cent.
Ya, ada cent.
Kalau di rupiah kan cent, right? Tapi kalau US dollar itu very important. Are you saying it's a 60.99 itu berarti cuma $6? Yang titik is the cent. Gitu kan? Right? Okay, so the cost is $699 US dollars. Okay,
Yep.
that's the correct answer. So Lutfi team get 100. All
Okay.
right. I did.
200 bu. 200 bu. 200. Guys, between guys, how much money will be saved from the sale price? Okay. Jawabannya langsung cepat banget nih.
You got it?
Yes. Tapi kan ini nggak dapat hadiah ya, teman-teman.
Okay.
Yes.
So how
Mostly
much?
they
Dapat ilmu, Bu, itu hadiah yang paling lebih gede lagi daripada pulsa, Bu.
Kenapa? Ya, benar jawabannya kebanyakan 300. Tadi ada yang jawab 25 sih, Bu, tapi mungkin dia miss. Tapi ya ini banyakan 300. Jawabannya.
Ya, makanya please read the question carefully. Okay, we're talking about how much will be saved from the sale price loh. Sale inilah punya kan, right? Saya tahu tuh Rima kayaknya dapat dari itu deh smartphone. Kalau nggak salah ada 25 or something like that, 25%. Is it for smartphone or something like that? Ya kan? Mungkin terkecoh dengan kalimat itu. So please read the question carefully. Alright. So the answer is 300. Indeed. Say, okay,
Answer is
Lut.
300, yes.
You wanna go
Okay.
300 or 200?
Kita masih warming up dulu, masih 200. I'm going to keep up my strategy. Kita masih warming up, so choose 200. We'll choose 200. Okay. Why is the sales going on? The question is why ya, bukan when. Oke. Di saya karena ada back to school event, Miss. Banyak sekali back to school nih jawabannya nih, discount back to school. Is it correct? Ada nggak sentence seperti itu? Back to school event. Ada annual back to school. Oke. Diterima kayaknya nih answersnya ya. Back to school ya. Karena ada event back to school nih ya. Oke, you're correct nih.
Tapi sebenarnya yang kita tanyakan, why, kenapa ada back to school event? Be very careful. Ya memang ada back to school event, tapi sebetulnya pertanyaannya lebih ke kenapa school. You get it? Yes, it's a sale. Why is it a sale? Because there is a back to school event. Ya betul. Tapi kenapa ada back to school event juga, gitu kan? Sampai kita bikin sales. Because the children are going back to school.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Got it.
What is the name of the event? Jawabannya berarti.
Beda loh dengan why sama what. Tadi why ya. Ini what. What-nya apa itu?
What is the name of the event? Mostly answered back to school event. Back to school. It's quite clear ya, karena di situ udah jelas, udah di di tanda kutip kan. Back to school. Jadi that's the way.
Yeah. So the name, what is the name? Ya, what is the name? Yaitu back to school event. Nah, tadi pertanyaan yang di tempatnya Pak Lutfi, why? Kan? Kenapa harus ada? Ya, because you're going back to school.
Yeah.
You get the idea. One is asking for the name, what is the name, and the other one is asking for the reason. Okay, now Lut,
Bu,
this is the jackpot
before
prize. Tadi jadi
Nih,
udah
guys.
ini ya.
Oke guys, this is the big question. Get ready ya. Jadi teman-teman udah warming up, saya rasa nih udah siap-siap nih ya. Make sure you set chatnya ke saya.
Jangan
Nanti
salah
kalau
masuk
masih ke
ya.
open list gak kehitung ya. Pokoknya yang privately ke saya aja nih.
Oke, ready?
Let's go. 300. Okay, when do schools in the area start? Okay. Oke. Paling pertama di saya ada yang jawab next week. I don't know whether it's true or not. And then ada yang kedua ada Tuesday. And then ada yang bilang soon.
Banyak
And
banget
then
nih
ada yang bilang
jawabannya.
25%. Ada yang
Okay.
bilang this weekend. Oke, jadi banyak macam nih jawabannya nih.
Rame nih. Nah,
Ada yang 2 days, alright. Ada yang school. I'm not sure nih, so who's right gitu kan ya. So it could be interesting.
Okay, let's see the
Bilang
correct
weekend.
response.
Okay, so there's so many response. Can we get the correct answer, Bu? Next week. Okay, let me see siapa yang paling pertama. Okay, ternyata dari Muhammad Syafwan Abdul Aziz. He's the correct one tuh. Next week, and he's the first one to type it. Sudah pernah dapat belum nih sebelumnya? Saya tanya dulu ya. Mungkin kalau belum pernah langsung chat ke Bu Dini ya untuk nomor teleponnya ya.
Boleh.
Ya. Untuk Muhammad Syafwan Abdul Aziz boleh langsung send your phone number to Bu Dini tuh. Nanti langsung dicek dia sama Bu Dini ya. Okay, thank you guys for your
So we got
participation.
the winner, right? We got the winner.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Now we go back again just to check on the, what is that? I think we have to go back to check, yeah, the answer to, so I'm going to share my PowerPoint again, right?
Muhammad Syafwan ya? Muhammad Syafwan Abdul Aziz ya?
Ya, Muhammad Syafwan Abdul Aziz, benar.
Oke.
Okay. Ini udah ya. Now, before we play the game, this was the passage, right? This was the passage. It's our annual back to school event. So what is the name of the event? Back to school. And because it's it says here that buy your kids a new 14. Now, if we have that 2, can you see this? Right? What does it mean? Well, how do we say it? Inch. Itu 14-inch laptop with all the memory they will need only. Nah, be very careful. We were talking about this. This is $699 US. And be very careful because you also have $59.99. So we pay $5,999. No, because there is a decimal there. I mean, there is a what do you call that? There is a period there. Means this is dollar, this is cent. Because in the US dollar, we still have a cent. Ya. Jadi kita nggak bilang ini 5.900, no. $59.99. Okay, and this is $699 because there is no period. Okay, so that is savings of 3,000, meaning that when the price is $699 and this is saving $300, so what is the original price before the sale? What's the original price before the sale? So that means the original price is, of course, $699 plus 300. Got it? We have laser printers to go with that laptop starting at just $59.99. And we also have not just laptop, but also laser printers. And to make sure they always keep in touch, who is they? Who is they? The kids. Yeah? Okay? That the kids will keep in touch. All smartphones are 20 off. the smartphones are 20% off. So come on in today and stock up on all the good stuff. Stock up. There's a vocabulary. That means you buy and you have stock of a laptop, of a printer, smartphones, because they're all on sale. Hurry because the sale ends this weekend. Nah, tuh. It ends 2 days before the kids have to back to, ya kan? 2 days before the kids have to back and this weekend, right? Nah, jadi kapan dia harus, jadi 2 days, 2 hari sebelum apa namanya ke, so they're going to school after, of course, the weekend. Yeah. Now, this is an advertisement. Okay, we're just going to remind you. That that's a very short passage. Itu passage yang short loh sebetulnya. The passages that you will have in the TOEIC is quite longer. Pasti akan lebih besar. Lebih itu. Kadang-kadang ada juga yang pendek, tapi dia pertanyaannya juga lebih seru sebetulnya. Ya, so here. Then there are different kinds of passages. Tadi we have email, and then we have the advertisement, and it's just like an information. It can be just an article that you will find in a brochure. And this is about the Burj Khalifa, which is in Dubai. Yeah, the famous building in the world. Okay, which is in Dubai. And of course, it tells a lot about the structure. It tells a lot about the building. And again, every time you look at this, every time you have the passages, you need to look for information, WH questions. How many? What? How long? Masih ingat ya? How itu kan banyak tuh gandengannya. Ada how many, how long, etc. Okay? We're going to do this next week. Dan sebetulnya ini yang kita ambil, ada everything is in your materials. We have given you this in the materials. The materials, how to access the materials. You can of course access it from your teachers, because your teachers should already also have the materials, right? Or you can access it directly through the portal, the student portal. Itu kan ya, Mbak Dini and Mas Lutfi, am I correct?
Yep, 100% correct.
Ya. Oke. Ini semua yang saya tunjukkan di sini untuk hari ini, contoh-contoh ini sudah ada in your practice materials. Namanya study materials ya. Oke, so make sure that you study that, mengurangi ini kita nanti next time aja. Nah, and then this is a single passage in the TOEIC reading part 7, itu single passage, bahkan tadi saya bilang ada yang cuma begini aja nih. Ya, we'll practice again next Monday, and we have also double passages. Ada single passage, ada double passage, berarti ada 2 bahan bacaan. Pertanyaannya akan tergantung dari salah satu. Oke, jawabannya bisa ditemukan di salah satu, atau jawabannya memang ditemukan di salah 2. Maksudnya, you need to read this and this to, and we will practice that next week. Okay, we will do our best to how to get you to see both of the texts. Yeah, so that's all from us. I think the the kids. I think everybody has learned a lot, has shown us today that you still remember about the reading part 5, you still remember about the reading part 6, okay? And you have an idea about the reading part 7, and we just covered the single passages, and we are going to cover the double passages next week. All right, don't forget to study the materials that we have given you on your student portal, or the materials that have been given to you by your teacher. Okay, so I guess it's I'm saying goodbye to everyone now, right?
Yeah. Oke.
Dini and Lutfi, you want to say anything to the children?
Nah, I just want to say thank you ya buat partisipasi mereka nih yang udah ikut join hari ini nih. Saya ngeliat banget semangat-semangatnya ya dari chat box ini. So keep up the good work deh pokoknya.
Yeah, keep up the good work, right? And we will have all the practice materials with you, yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
So don't forget to join us on Monday. Our last session is on Monday, all right? And sudah lihat tambang-tambangnya Mbak Dini sama Mas Luci nggak ya? Kasihan anak-anak dari
Baik.
Goodbye,
Halo.
everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Ya, bilang.
Besok katanya banyak yang mulai tes besok, Bu, katanya.
Oh iya.
Semangat ya.
Semangat ya, good luck ya. Jangan lupa
Semoga
ya.
lancar.
Oke, good luck everybody.
Good luck.
Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you ya, Pak Host.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dini.
Thank you, Bu.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mbak Dini, Bu Hafil.
Masih ada yang nanya tuh, Din.
Kenapa, Bu?
Ada yang nanya, minggu depan masih ada quiz. Masih.
Yes, masih ada terakhir besok.
Depan kita kasih yang inilah quiznya yang lewat meeting. Alright. Oke, Din. Signing off. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Di. Dadah.
Don't leave the event.
Bye, Lut.
Bye.